especially in a country like India and a state like Goa. Once upon a time we used to see government appointed some people to shoot the dogs. Thereafter all these rules have come. So we have to care for these stray dogs. Stray dogs adi shoot kottale, ata bond zala as per the Supreme Court order and guidelines. And different houses are there, who can actually take them as a part of their family. So for that, first job what we have to do is anti-rabies injection or sterilization to control the birth. इतले जाल्ले हा आमच्या बिचाचेर market place, wherever there is a house which is vacant or a building which is vacant, you will just find them growing in numbers. So birth control करपा खातीर आयज आमी program start केल्लो हा. It has started from Kalangut Baga with the help of Village Panchayat Kalangut, Lions Club फुडें सरलेले हा, साईश लावंडे and the entire team. तितून आमचे it's a good thing that the entire team of WVS, they are come over here, and I think like-minded people will support here because there are animal lovers in Kalangut, though it's a busy place. Itli busy है कि कोणाको time ना. Everybody is busy in their own business or in their own work. But still, there are animal lovers over here. There are some foreigners who will also assist you. आमचो Proensa ha hingasur. So he will also help, which he has started long back. Comunidad of Kalangut, who has given this place for parking lot and for other so many programs which take place over here. Anthony D'Souza is here. All these people are there to help, and let us make it successful. This program is for stray dogs, but I think we need to do something for stray cattle as well, because lot of accidents are happening on daily basis, and government is only giving promises. Our own government, 5 years we are giving promises, but nothing has happened. I think the number of casualties which take place on daily basis is 50% because of stray animals, especially stray cattle, which are there on all the highways of Goa, all the major district roads, all the village roads. And sometimes it is when there is no light at night, you can't notice them. So this is also a big problem, but we cannot go and kill an animal, because we have to make alternate arrangements to make a shelter home for them, which we had removed a very good idea, but because of lack of funds and lack of government support. The Panchayat is there, Kalangut MLA is there, Lions Club is there, and our Comunidad of Kalangut is there. So we are sponsoring this. We are requesting some hotels to give us funding under CSR, so that all these things which are there in coastal belt, which has to be taken care, some government takes care, some we have to take. It is our responsibility, especially where stray dogs are concerned. We have to take care of them. We cannot just say that they are stray. हिंगा हाडून जर birth control करी जाल्यार खूबशे future and next 6 months you will find less dogs on the beach. So people have dogs in their house. This what we are talking today is stray dogs on the beach, in the market, on the roads. सगळ्या घातले.
As you are aware, Kalangut is a touristic village. जायते tourist आमच्या गावान येता, beachar वयता, रस्त्यार चलता. Stray dog menace is there in Kalangut, and we don't want to cause any inconvenience to tourists, especially if a dog bites them. The entire holiday, the entire trip is ruined. Same way, भुरगे खूप जाण भुरगे चलोन स्कॉलान वयतात. Parents also are worried because a lot of stray dogs, and whether their child will be bitten by stray dogs. So Kalangut Village Panchayat, with the support of their MLA, support of Worldwide Veterinary Service, support of Noah's Animal Shelter, together are working collectively. And now this mission, this 1 month mission that we have here before us, will go and sterilize and vaccinate all the dogs on the beach belt, all the stray dogs in the village. And I've also requested them to try to go door to door and also ask and request private owners if they want to sterilize their dogs, if they want to vaccinate their dogs against rabies.
asked to support this project, because we all know, we all being animal lovers over here, it was a very good project that came to us. A lot of dogs that are born here constantly, after every 6 months you see a new litter of puppies, and you're constantly worried about, will they come under a car, will they be safe, will they be fed. With this project of birth control with the WVS and with the Kalangut Panchayat, we are very thankful that everyone has come together to stop this increased population of dogs.
By the Lions, it's for you all. So this is the inside of the truck. We do our lectures here and the autoclaving preparations here. This is the operation theatre. You want me on that side? No. This is the operation theatre where we do the surgeries. There is a lift on the outside where the dog is prepared. It comes up and straight into the room here. The dog comes onto the table. We have all the connections for the drips to be given. There's a big machine. So when we require to take x-rays, it's a digital x-ray system that automatically comes onto the laptops. That is there. There is ultrasound available. There's a water tank at the bottom for dental equipment available there. There is also oxygen behind, as well as isoflurane gas anesthesia. So we can use gas anesthesia through the mask and anesthetize the dog. So this is a fully fledged operation theatre that is used for stray animals here, on dogs and cats. Yeah.
That's the X-ray.
That's the X-ray tube. When we need to connect it, we put all the wires. I haven't done the wiring bits, but yes, that's the X-ray. Ultrasound is also portable. Dental, oxygen and gas anesthesia as well.